it's a pretty straightforward install. There's nothing too complicated. I thought it was gonna be a lot. I thought it was gonna be a lot more complicated, but yeah, it's just pretty much running power, and then the vacuum lines that come from the muffler, and then there's the remote. And these are the tips I got. I just got just basic black. I was gonna get chrome ones or even the carbon ones, but I don't know. I feel like I'm so sketched out with cops trying to just pull you over for any fucking stupid reason, so I'm just trying to make it as subtle as possible. So the only issue I'm running into now, well, it's not really an issue, it's just shops are really trying to charge me $400 to $600 to weld these up. Find good shops and trust them, because from going down there, you already had all your shops, you have your tire shop, you have everybody that you know, so going to a whole new area is kind of difficult. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm really pumped to install these, honestly. I want to see what the car sounds like. I want to see what it sounds like closed and how much quieter it is, because yeah, this car is way too loud, especially when it's all stripped down now and it's just like fucking no interior. It just echoes, the drone's bad, so that's why I picked these up in the beginning. And yeah, I feel like I'm getting a little older, so it's just nice to, you know, when you want it quiet, you have it quiet. So super pumped on these. So hopefully we can get these installed today, because yeah, I'm excited to drive this car. I don't really drive it much, because this is like one of the main reasons I feel like I was a little sketched out, because this car is like loud. But yeah, I have a lot of things planned for this car. I want to take it out a lot. I want to take it to San Francisco. I got a lot of things planned, a lot of photos and just ideas cooked up. So this should help make me feel more comfortable driving the car, not worried, like fucking about cops. Enjoy the car, go out, document it, record cool ass videos, take photos. So yeah, extremely pumped on. I'm gonna give you guys a little cold start. So today's probably gonna be super busy all over the place. Gotta install spark plugs, gotta install quick release for the bumper, got to install mufflers. So yeah, got a pretty busy day. So hopefully we can tackle and knock all those things out, because yeah, I'm in desperate need of a lot of work done to this car, and I've been slacking. So yeah, let's knock that out, and hopefully the muffler shop can do everything today, because yeah, I'm pretty excited to finally hear that exhaust, see how different it makes with closing the valves, opening them. So let's get the day started. For the coil packs, the little bolt is a size 8. The spark plugs are a size 5/8 if you're trying to do it yourself. Pretty simple install. It's just those top bolts and then a little clip, pop it off, and then the coil pack comes and you disconnect it from there, and then yeah, the spark. See? Shit's fucking fragile. Oh, did better on this side. I only broke 1 out of the 4. On that side, I think I broke all 4 of them. This is the quick release brand. It's just from Amazon. Nothing too special. You literally, this is all you get in the bag. Quick release. And then yeah, that clips onto there, holds it, press the button, boom, release. Pretty common, simple. Yeah, I feel like that's the only hard part, is trying to get this hole to line up with the bumper so I could drill a hole in and everything lines up. I should have brought some toothpaste or something, but that looks
good, honestly. And that's the whole concept of it, pretty much. And then I gotta try to drill the hole bigger, but I just want to make sure that lines up. Fitment looks good with the headlight. And it's good because the little side piece, which is good, the side piece I lost, usually will cover all these holes so you don't really see them. So that's why I went with these quick releases anyways, because it looks pretty shitty, in my opinion, having quick releases, or like even the JDM with the band on it, the rubber band. So it's nice that this, you'll see it on the other side, it'll cover all this because there's a whole carbon piece. So simple and easy. I just gotta adjust this to make the fitment a little better. So you gotta like either give them more or less slack. And then this is just threads onto the back of this. I was saying, see, this little piece is, so it's gonna cover up the tab anyways, or whatever you do. So that's why I wasn't really too worried about. Sounds a lot better doing the spark plugs, because yeah, you can hear the misfire bad. It sounds way better now. Now it's just an exhaust leak, but I'm about to go get that fixed right now, so hopefully you can get that done. But yeah, did an oil change, did spark plugs, so brand new motor pretty much, so everything should be running pretty fucking smooth right now. So let's cross our fingers and hope for the best in this little drive. 18 minutes. The bumper quick releases have held up pretty good, honestly, with that little ride, even though the car's not super low. But I feel like you can hear something scraping. I don't know if it's the side skirt, because I do need to fix that little piece and have the clips back in. But yeah, overall pretty successful drive. So hopefully we can get these mufflers on and make this car a lot quieter and more enjoyable to drive, because it should drone so much in there. I'm just hearing a little clunking noise in like I feel like the back end, the diff area. So that's my only concern at the moment. But yeah, so fucking happy. So happy to be driving this car again. Literally has a smile on my face. Still a lot to do, I feel like, though. But yeah, just the little rewards of like seeing it, being able to drive it, really makes a difference. It makes me keep wanting to go, keep pushing, because yeah, this shit is not easy. I'm telling you, it just has been money, stress. All right, he can knock it out, so super pumped on him being able to do this. So got the mufflers on. I still gotta do the valves, but right now they're closed. So it's gonna be the first time hearing it with the closed valves. Yeah. Really sounds like a stock car, kind of. Still kind of loud, but way better. Alrighty, I got that connected, and right now the valves are closed. So pretty simple install. I'm gonna go take it for a little spin right now and head home. But huge shout out to this muffler. Gotta stop and get some gasoline, cause this bitch is empty.
muffler's quieted up quite a bit, honestly, and it makes it have like a nice clean sounding. It's not like rah, like sounding like shit. So honestly cleaned up the noise a lot better, especially when you close it. Not worried about cops too much and like being on my toes, so that helps. Now I just gotta figure out this check engine light. Now that's bugging me. Alright, I'm gonna give you guys a little comparison of it open and then closed. This is open right now. And then let's see if you can see them closed actually. And then yeah, that's it closed. You can hear the difference. It just sounds a lot more muffled, but like it still doesn't even sound bad like that. It sounds super just clean and like tamed. So very happy with the purchase. This concludes the video. It's pretty much headers. It has BBK headers, so all the way back to Valvetronic mufflers. So if you guys are installing this on your car, you guys get a little sound test so you guys know what you're getting into before buying it. I feel like I haven't even got to like looking at the car. I feel like it's just so stressful trying to like get this done, the muffler's done, get so much shit done. So I feel like I can't even like really like sit back and like go wash the car and like take it all in, because it's like a to-do list of shitload of things and it's a lot of shit. So hopefully you guys enjoy these videos, even though they're a little short or all over the place. So I really hope you guys appreciate it. Hopefully you guys enjoy the videos. But that's gonna conclude this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.